we begin tonight with breaking news. A helicopter carrying a donated organ crashes on top of a hospital. Our Phil Blauer has been following this story and starts us off with what we're now learning.
Yeah, Andrew, this happened about 3 p.m. on the helipad on top of USC Keck Hospital. It's in Boyle Heights, right out of downtown L.A. Now, it had flown from Gillespie Field in El Cajon with a donor heart from Sharp Grossmont Hospital in La Mesa for a transplant operation. Now, for an unknown reason, the chopper flipped on its side. You can see it there. 3 people were on board. The pilot was treated for minor injuries. 2 others had no medical complaints. And then the unthinkable happens. Take a look at this. Crews able to get the heart out of that helicopter. It was then handed over to one of the hospital's medical personnel. Now, as that person leaves the helipad, he suddenly accidentally trips on a metal plate, falls to the ground, dropping the heart. Others were quickly able to pick up that organ and rush it inside for the operation. The person who dropped it was apparently not hurt. This crash is being investigated at this hour by the FAA and the NTSB. Truly remarkable there.
Yeah,
Andrew?
Incredible scene there. All right, Phil, thank you very much.